Hi everybody, it's Pocahontas. You're at my channel right now. I want to thank you for stopping by real quick before you go and do whatever you need to do for the day. Oh. I really like castor oil and all the things that it does for me. And if you want to know more, continue watching. The castor oil that I like to use is this brand right here. I'm sorry, it's really ugly looking because I've been using it a lot. And it's 100% pure, USDA, organic, 100% natural, no additives, chemical free, hexane free, and cold pressed. This might be your best bet if you want a lot of castor oil. I would get a really big bottle. I got this at Walmart for about $12. I don't know if it's that price anymore. So I just would transfer it in a smaller bottle just so that it could be easier to get to and to use, and I won't have to be pouring a huge bottle into my hand. So let's see what we could do with makeup castor oil. I use castor oil a lot just to give me like a gloss finish over lipstick, or if I just want to look really natural and have like a glossy lip texture if I go out, or if I'm just at home and my lips are very, very dry. So this is what I use. I don't really have a normal makeup gloss because this works really well and it's oil, so no harm done. And it's even thick. It has the kind of consistency of an actual makeup product. Next thing I'm going to do is use it on my eyeballs. Let's see what happens once I do that. Well, I'm not going to use them on my actual eyeballs, but you get what I'm saying. So I'm just going to put them in the middle here, not covering the full complete eye. And I'm going to do that on the other side. Can you guys see that? Next item I'm going to use this castor oil for is eyelashes. This is from an old bottle of mascara that I used to have. I just cleaned it off really good. If I want to put castor oil on at night, if I'm trying to moisturize my eyeballs, my eyelashes, then I would definitely use this little brush for it. And I also put it on my eyebrows before I go to bed. Sometimes I'm not very consistent, so I'm not going to say I'm going to do all the time, but it is helpful for hair growth. So that's one of the benefits. Let's see if this will work as a mascara. Oh, it is doing something with my eyelashes. Okay, let's put it on the other eyeball. So I wouldn't use this outside, out and about, because the castor oil tends to drip into your eyeballs, and that's not a cute look. So just be careful when putting it on. I would put it on just for health benefits. So that's a cute tip for you. Let's see if this works as a highlighter as well. So we're going to put that on our cheeks right here. Oh, didn't mean to flip you guys off. That was not my intention. Put some over here. Okay, you can't really see that well, but if you're in the sun and it's like shimmering on your face, you'll see the highlight really looking cute. You know what, let's try to lay our edges down with this castor oil. Now, I'm just experimenting as much as you are. And I never really lay my edges just because I don't like gluing things down on my head, so that's why. But since this is a natural product, this could really work. Now, I'm not going to say it's going to last because I don't want to lie to you guys. Let's do that swoop. Yeah, baby! So this will have to do. I would put a bonnet on, but I don't have time for that. Now, for the contouring of my body parts. Well, I don't even know why I'm making this video. I like putting oil on my skin, so. There you go, the reason is clear. Should I do something with my hair? I don't know if I should. Okay. So we're gonna pretend like we're not wearing any clothes, but clearly we are. So nobody get excited. I know, I'm excited. Okay, I'm still wearing clothes, so don't get weird, okay? I didn't tell you about the benefits of castor oil, but nonetheless, castor oil is so good for you and so good for your hair growth, so good for your skin. It just revitalizes you. After showers, I usually put it all over my body just so that it could like heal up my scars and to really moisturize my skin while it's cold outside. Hopefully this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful morning, evening, or night, and I will see you soon.